guys, this is Rishika. Welcome to my little bird where I share everything that makes me happy to make you happy. So today I tried to do something insane. Yes, insane for me because I'm not a very athletic person and I don't do a lot of exercise. So I took a challenge to do 1000 ab exercise in one day to see if I can get a little bit near my abs. And if I get result, then congratulations, you can do it too. So firstly, let me give a little bit of disclaimer for those people who will get triggered by this. Okay, so this video is just for entertainment purpose, and if you get triggered by any of these activity, please feel free to leave. Now first let's start with the first thing, measurement. So I'm going to measure this area. I think this is, we can call abs or waist or whatever you want. So I'm going to give you measurements in centimeters. Okay, so right now my tummy is 70 centimeters and we'll see what happened after 24 hours. So you can see how it looks. Guys, one more thing, please stay till the end because at the end I have to make a special announcement which I think will be very useful for you. So now I'm not gonna waste any time and let's get into the video. So I'm done tying my hair back and I have done every exercise I have to do. And also one more thing that I like to mention is this video is inspired by Sunny Vendor. I don't know if I'm saying the name right because you know I don't know how to say it. But I'm just writing it here so you can find it on YouTube or anywhere you want. Okay, so the first exercise we have to do is Russian twist. So there are 10 exercises which I have to do 100 times each. Therefore I'll do 1000 exercises, okay? So the first exercise is Russian twist and then Russian twist with crunch, sit up, abs, pushes and a lot of them. So let's start with the first exercise, Russian twist. I'm not sure if I can do it, but let's just see and try. It's really a challenge. So starting with Russian twist. Let's go. I'm going to put my legs down. That way it is more easier. It's much more tough than I expected it to be. Okay, so the second exercise is Russian twist with the crunch. So this will be counted as 1. I have to do 1 full Russian twist and a crunch. So let's begin. Let me play my music. So I found that I was doing it the wrong way and I have already done 34. So we have to do it like 1, 2 and 3 without touching the hands. But I still have 60 to go. Wish me luck. The next is sit-ups. So sit-ups is basically this. You just have to lay down, come a bit up, which is so tough by the way. If you're planning to do this, let me tell you, these are all the killer exercises which no one ever wants to do. Now, let's do 100 sit-ups. Okay, so that's already 50. And my abs are not hurting that much, but my neck is dead. It's really dead. We just have 750 exercises to go. Let's finish it, guys. If you're doing it, then you can do it. Okay, we did it, guys. Next is ab pushes. We did it. Next is scissor kicks. I really hate this exercise.
Hey, it's me. Just wanted to tell you that don't push yourself too hard. If you cannot do it in once, take a rest. After a while, do it again. You can do it. But just make sure you take it easy.
100 scissors done, guys. is 2 touches.
So the main reason why I decided to take this challenge was that I knew if I will complete it, I will feel a lot accomplished and a lot better, and it contributed a lot in my self-confidence and self-love.
Done, guys. There is still left with 400.
And after that, I faced real pain. But the good news is that the next day when I woke up, I wasn't that sore. It was all good and I could carry on my day activity without any interference.
My neck is hurting so much, so badly. I think I'm doing it wrong because neck is not supposed to hurt, I guess. If you know, then please comment below that is it okay for the neck to hurt, or am I doing something wrong? That's why I didn't do it.
So I'm new to make this kind of videos. So I have given you 2 options. Do you like the voiceover more or just the music? Comment down below so that I can know and improve it. Thank you.
So guys, I'm done with the 1000 exercises, and right now I'm not seeing any result because of course it's only been like 2 to 3 minutes, you can see, and I'll show you the exact results tomorrow after I guess 24 hours or maybe in the morning. Right now I'm doing this in the evening, and the whole exercise took me around 1 hour doing it whole. If you want to do it, then I'll link down the video, I guess, of from whom I was inspired. I again forgot her name, and also maybe I'll write all the exercises so you can do it, guys. So the special announcement I wanted to make at the end of the video is this: I'm starting a YouTube series called Get Fit With Me, in which I will be trying all the exercises from the famous fitness influencers or underrated fitness influencers, and also challenges like this. And I will show you the honest results so that you can see which workout works best for me and you can try it, and most probably in most of the cases people also get results from the workout. Guys, the main reason why I'm starting this series is because you can see I'm also a lot chubby and I'm on my journey to become healthy and fit. So you can join me on my journey and it will just keep you motivated and inspiring, and also you'll get the best out of here so you can choose which workout you have to do, and it will just keep us and you and everyone motivated. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't be shy to subscribe. So guys, my tummy is now 66 centimeter, which means it is reduced by 4 centimeter, because when I started it was 70 and now it is 66. And 4 centimeter loss in just 24 hours is amazing. It's really amazing. So this challenge is passed by me.
So these are the final results, guys, and that's all for this video. Bye.